of Dunbar flooded. So this is good. I'm wearing flip-flops.
So I documented the damages.
Good. Yeah, we have a pool now. So that's good. Yeah, be careful. It's all over everywhere. So we're gonna go downstairs now. There's water everywhere. It's so much fun. I love Dunbar. Look at the flip-flops. I already said that. Yep. It's just so great. This is so much fun. Because I'm not paying to here.
I'm the only one? People are already working over his stuff. Somebody's gonna read those notebooks.
I'll do it.
No, you
I'll have him do it. He's my father.
can't.
Why not?
You don't have the math. It's all squiggles on a page. You wouldn't know the good stuff from the junk.
It's all